Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a truly essential gadget for anyone with a modern USB-C device, the AreMe Dual USB-C headphone and charger adapter. This clever 2-in-1 dongle solves that common problem of needing to listen to audio with wired USB-C headphones while simultaneously charging your phone or tablet. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective solution. Imagine you're engrossed in a video, a game, or an important call, and your device's battery starts to run low. Traditionally, you'd have to pause your activity to plug in. But with the AreMe adapter, that dilemma is gone. It effortlessly splits your single USB-C port, allowing you to connect your USB-C headphones or even other peripherals like a flash drive, while also plugging in your charger. This is a significant convenience for anyone who relies on their USB-C device for continuous entertainment and productivity. Sound quality is paramount, and AreMe has clearly focused on this. The adapter incorporates a highly integrated DAC decoding chip, which translates directly to hi-fi audio quality. You can expect stable, noise-free conversion, ensuring your music is crisp and clear, and voice calls are free from static or distortion. This isn't just a basic splitter, it's engineered to preserve a high-quality audio experience. Equally impressive are its charging capabilities. This adapter supports a maximum of 20 V3A, delivering a robust 60W power delivery. For most smartphones, tablets, and even some laptops, this means exceptionally fast charging. Your device will power up quickly, getting you back to full capacity in no time, all without interrupting your audio. The AreMe adapter also excels in portability. Its ultra-thin and compact design, coupled with a durable aluminum shell, makes it perfect for daily carry. It feels premium and is built to last. Furthermore, it's completely plug-and-play, requiring no additional drivers or software. Just connect it, and it works, offering fantastic user-friendliness. Compatibility is broad, covering a wide array of popular devices. This includes the latest iPhone 15 and upcoming 16 series, various iPad Air and Pro models, Samsung Galaxy S21, S20, S10, Note 20, Note 10, LG G7, V20, Google Pixel phones, and many others. If you own a modern USB-C device that needs simultaneous audio and charging, this adapter is likely compatible, making it a versatile tool for various gadgets. In summary, the AreMe Dual USB-C headphone and charger adapter is a brilliantly designed accessory that effectively meets a crucial need for USB-C users. Its blend of high-fidelity audio, rapid 60W charging, durable construction, and extensive compatibility makes it an outstanding choice. If you're looking for a seamless solution to listen and charge simultaneously, this adapter delivers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.